What should students be taught when it comes to the subject of investing? Investing is often taught with stock market games, where students are given money and encouraged to research and purchase individual stocks, maximizing returns via market timing and frequent trading. While stock market games are popular and fun for students, they do have a serious problem. Most of the investing behaviors that are rewarded in these programs are for professional investors only. And most professional investors do not actually beat the major indexes when it comes to picking stocks. In addition, stock market type games can have serious unintended consequences. Students who do poorly may conclude that investing in the stock market is dangerous. That belief could adversely affect their decision making when investing for retirement. Students who do well may conclude that day trading stocks is a way to make easy money. However, losing real money is different than losing the $100,000 you were given in a game. So why spend valuable class time teaching investing skills and behaviors that students should not use in the real world? Or worse, instilling ideas that can have serious negative financial consequences. Wouldn't it be better to teach the investing skills we know our students will need? With increasing lifespans and the end of defined benefit type pension plans, the most important investing lesson students need to learn is how to invest for retirement. Successful investing for retirement is not difficult. It requires following some basic rules, the first being to start early. Wouldn't it be better if we taught students the simple and effective behaviors recommended by experts? Wouldn't it also be better if these behaviors were taught in a way that students would feel empowered to confidently invest on their own? At Budget Challenge, we say yes and yes. And that is why we built our Plus Investing add-on module. Plus Investing is a hands-on, 10-week experience that is added to the Budget Challenge simulation. It is designed to show how easy and important successful retirement investing can be for a young person, with the result being that more young people will confidently start investing for retirement sooner. So what are the investing essentials taught in Plus Investing? It begins with the reality that they will likely never be given $100,000 to invest. Instead, students must first earn money and then budget for investing. Students learn how to automate investing by setting up payroll deductions with their employer. Students learn how to invest in tax-advantaged retirement accounts. These accounts benefit investors by reducing income taxes and allowing their investments to compound tax-free until withdrawn during retirement. Students learn how to take advantage of the free money offered in an employer match. Students learn to avoid high fees that can diminish their returns over time. And students learn how to research and select mutual funds for the retirement account. The fund selection process mirrors what students will do when signing up for an employer's retirement plan. Since there are no individual stocks in the typical retirement account, there is no need to research and analyze individual companies. However, students will research and evaluate funds using the included fund fact sheets. Students have the ability to invest in actively managed funds, target date funds, and index funds, similar to the options in most 401k and 403b plans. Students learn about the amazing benefits of compound interest and why investing early is so important. Our retirement projector tool shows students the value of their investments 40 years from now, using their investment choices. This makes the abstract but essential concept of compounding real and impactful. To keep Plus Investing fun and engaging, there is a leaderboard that ranks the highest value portfolios. To emphasize the right behaviors, there are 3 trophy goals all students can earn. The first trophy rewards students for selecting retirement investments most appropriate for a working young adult. The second trophy rewards students for selecting an investing strategy and then sticking to it. And the third trophy rewards students for choosing funds with low fees. The funds, indexes, and market behavior are realistic because they were modeled from analyzing decades of historical market data. Plus Investing is a realistic, efficient, and powerful tool for teaching the investing skills students need, and it provides research options, choices, and actionable feedback that makes learning fun, effective, and exciting. It is the most effective tool to empower students with the skills and knowledge they need to invest for a secure financial future.